Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix RAM problems in your PC. First, observe your computer's behavior for common symptoms like unexpected restarts or applications freezing. Open your task manager to monitor memory usage. Consistently high percentages, perhaps over 80%, suggest a potential issue. Also, confirm your system meets the minimum RAM requirements for your most used software. This initial assessment helps pinpoint if RAM is indeed the culprit. Now, let's get hands-on. Power off your computer completely and disconnect all peripherals. Open the case and locate your RAM modules. Gently unclip and remove each stick, then firmly reinsert it until the clips snap into place. This reseating can often resolve loose connections. While you're in there, check for any dust buildup in the slots or signs of physical damage on the RAM sticks themselves. If reseating doesn't work, it's time for a diagnostic test. Windows has a built-in memory diagnostic tool you can access. For a more comprehensive check, consider using a tool like memtest86, which runs before your operating system loads. Allow these tests to complete multiple passes. A single pass might miss intermittent errors. Any reported errors will clearly indicate a faulty RAM module. Should your diagnostic tests reveal a faulty module, the next step is replacement. Note the specifications of the failing RAM, including its type, speed, and capacity, for example, DDR4 3200 MHz. Purchase a new module that precisely matches these details to ensure compatibility. Carefully install the new RAM stick into the empty or identified faulty slot, ensuring it's seated correctly. Your PC should now be running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.